In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bloomberg. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This is where you can access a wide array of applications. It is essential to ensure you're connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, as this will allow the store to load properly. Once the Play Store is open, you will see a search bar at the top. This is where we'll go next. Now let's search for Bloomberg. Tap on the search bar and type in Bloomberg. As you type, suggestions may pop up below. These suggestions can help guide you to the correct app if you're unsure. Once you see Bloomberg in the search results, it's crucial to select the right one. You want to look for Bloomberg Finance Market News, as this is the official app provided by Bloomberg LP. Selecting the right app ensures you receive accurate news and updates from a trusted source. Next up, tap on Bloomberg Finance Market News to open the app's page. Here you can see more details about the app. This includes its description, ratings, and reviews from other users. Reading these can give you an idea of what to expect. It's also a good practice to check the app permissions listed here. Understanding what data the app requires helps you make informed decisions about your privacy. Once you feel confident about the app, look for the Install button. Now tap Install. This action will initiate the download process. You may see a progress indicator showing the percentage of the download that is complete. This is an important step because it ensures that the app is downloaded directly to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take just a few moments. While you wait, it's a good time to relax, knowing that you're one step closer to accessing all the financial news and market insights Bloomberg has to offer. Once the download finishes, you'll see an Open button appear. Tap on Open to launch the app immediately. This will take you directly into the Bloomberg app, where you can begin exploring its features. It's designed to provide you with real-time financial updates, market data, and personalized news tailored to your interests. This immediate access is beneficial as it allows you to start engaging with the content right away. At this point, you will be prompted to sign in or create a Bloomberg account. While this step is optional, having an account can enhance your experience significantly. You can save your preferences, access premium content, and receive personalized notifications. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. If you are new to Bloomberg, you can create an account by following the on-screen instructions. This little step saves you a lot of time later by personalizing your experience. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Bloomberg app on your Android device. Now you can stay updated with the latest financial news and market trends at your fingertips. Remember, staying informed is key in today's fast-paced financial environment. Thank you for following along and enjoy your new app.